How to stop Google Chrome pop-up ads at right left corner if you're facing the problem, like if you're getting the pop-up ads or notification at your window from Chrome website, then you can easily stop it. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you some methods, then you can follow it and you can easily fix it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay, so here I'm on my Chrome. So first thing, we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how we can check it? Go click on this three dot option here, go to the help, go to the about Google Chrome, and here you can check the Chrome is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, it will be start updating, and after update you have to just relaunch it. After relaunch, then just open the Chrome. Now what you need to do, just click on this three dot option and go to the setting. This is the next method. Okay, now in order to stop any pop-up ads and notification ads, we need to go in the privacy and security settings options. Just scroll down and here you can go to the site settings. Under the site setting, just scroll down and here you can see the notification. Okay, so, generally people get notification right at right left corner and pop-ups. So first we need to check out the notification setting. Just click on it and here you have to select this one, which is don't allow site set notification. Okay, you can also use this one, which is site are blocked from the interrupt when you they ask you to send notification. Okay, so if you click on this, then website will ask you to send notification. This one for enable the all notifications. So for that you will have to just disable it. After disable, you have to just scroll down and under the customize behavior, this is customized setting, guys. When you disable all notification, maybe you have added some linked by mistakenly here website that maybe send you the notification even you have blocked it. So you have to just check, is there any website, then you have to delete it. You will see here option button, three dot option, then click on it and delete it. So you have to check, is there any website in this section. Okay, when you disable the notification, but sometime you need the notification from website, some website like gmail.com or facebook.com, then you can add here those site. Okay, like if you want the notification from gmail.com, then you can enter here that site which is send you the notification even you disable notification option. Okay, same as you can disallow some site from here which is not allowed to send notification. Okay, just come back now, and second option we need to check pop-ups. Just click on pop-ups redirection. Same as you have to select the don't allow the site send pop-ups redirection. This is for pop-up ads, and same as you have to check, is there any website added here, you have to delete from here. Okay, and just come back, and the last method option you have to check, is there is a two option left, methods left. Next is go to the reset and clean up and go to the restore settings. You have to just reset your settings. It won't affect your bookmark history and password. It is only resets your settings. Disable extension, which is you can enable again, and delete cookies and temporary site data. You can reset it and just go to the cleanup computer and scan your computer if there any software for your from your computer which is harmful to your Chrome, then just find it. After scan, you will see, is there any software in your computer, so you need to just delete from your system settings. Okay, from control panel. First you need to scan it. Okay, the next step you have to take, that you have to check the extensions. Okay, click on this puzzle icon, go to the manage extensions, and here you can see the all your extension which you have already installed on your Chrome browser. So you have to check all the extension. When you reset the setting, the all extension will be disabled, and you have to find, is there any unknown extension, and you don't use extensions of So you need to just find out unusable and unknown extension and just disable it and delete, remove from here. Okay, I can remove from here. Okay, so you have to just find out the unknown extension and remove it. Okay, so that is all guys. This will be 100% help you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me.